Okay, so we're back to talking about the adult height for a boy and the model for that. So it says we've seen that the percentage of adult height attained by a boy who is X years old can be modeled by, and then here's our model right there, has a logarithm in it, a common log, okay, where X represents the boy's age from 5 to 15, and f of X represents the percentage of his adult height. At what age, rounded to the nearest year, has a boy attained 85% of his adult height? So the output we know, that's the f of x, and we're trying to figure out the age, which is x. Okay, so 85 equals 29 plus 48.8 log x plus 1. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to isolate the logarithm. So I'm going to subtract 29 from both sides. And what do I get? 56 equals 48.8 log x plus 1. I need those parentheses there. Divide by 48.8. Okay. So I can switch it the other way if I want to, but I don't want to. So I have 56 over 48.8 equals log, that's a common log, right? X plus 1. Okay, so how do we solve this? Well, the idea is I want to get it out of a logarithm and put it in exponential notation is what I want to do. So my base here is 10. So I'm going to write 10, and then that's my exponent. Crazy exponent, huh? So my exponent is 56 divided by 48.8, whatever that is. And that's going to equal the argument, x plus 1. Okay, now to solve for x, I just have to subtract the 1. So 10 to the 56 over 48.8 minus 1 equals x. So you're taking the 1 over to the other side, okay? All right, so now what we have to do is we have to put this in our calculator to get the approximation. So you're going to go 10, you're going to raise it to the exponent. There'll be, if there's not a parenthesis, you have to put it in. 56 divided by 48.8, close that parenthesis, and then subtract 1. Okay, so that's what we want to put in our calculator. So we're going to round to the nearest year, but stop the video, put that in your calculator. So I'm getting, it's 13.05, but they want me to round to the nearest age. So it's going to be about 13. So when he's about 13, he'll have 85% of his adult height. If you didn't get that answer, check to make sure you put in that parenthesis. That's my tip. Okay, so those are exponential equations. In the next video, I have a little review of the different thoughts or ideas on how to solve both exponential and logarithmic equations. There's quite a few.